Welcome friends. Thanks for visiting my channel continuously. Let's start today's video. Sagittarius 2020 Monthly Horoscopes. Let's take a look at the yearly Sagittarius horoscope 2020 month-wise. January 2020 will see the Archers unsure about the next step they should take. February 2020 will be a month for love and romance. Think twice before getting into new relationships. March 2022 is a month when you need to be cautious of the people you come in touch with. April 2020 is a favorable month for personal and professional conquests. May 2020 is a month of progress if you move ahead with the right attitude. June 2020 is a good month to organize your mind, life and ideas so that when the time comes, there are no delays. July 2020 is the period when you will be on a quest to find answers to all the unanswered questions in your mind. August 2020 is a month of trials and tribulations. You should be careful of your actions. September 2022 can be a time when you need to be careful of your actions and indulgences. October 2020 is a favorable month for career and new business ventures. Financial earnings too will be positive. November 2020 is a fortunate month to be spent with your loved ones. December 2020 is a good time for travel and vacations. You might also go on a business trip.